How often do aloe vera plants flower? Aloe vera is a desert succulent plant prized both for its beauty and for its medicinal properties. Aloe will not bloom until it is fully mature, which happens at about 4 years of age. When aloe does bloom, it produces bright, yellow flowers on long, protruding stems. Indoors. Aloe vera plants kept indoors are not likely to bloom at all. Occasionally these houseplants may produce flowers if they receive a great deal of sunlight, but most will not. Outdoors. Aloe vera is a native of Africa and thrives in hot desert climates. A mature plant will bloom outdoors under proper conditions. Blooms typically appear annually in early spring. Considerations. A high bloom fertilizer as well as plenty of sunlight may encourage older 4 years or more aloe vera to bloom.